If you've been charged with a crime in San Mateo County, I think that it's extremely important that you contact a lawyer who practices in San Mateo County on a regular basis. Preferably somebody who has their office there who practices almost exclusively out of San Mateo County. And the reason why is because a lot of defendants will hire an attorney who's from out of county, and that's because they may find a cheaper rate for that lawyer if that lawyer's from maybe the East Bay or even down south in Los Angeles. And it's a big mistake because that lawyer doesn't have the local knowledge of the judges, the prosecutors, the programs available, and generally how things are done. San Mateo County is a very, very tough place to practice. And unless you really know what you're doing and you have the experience to deal with a case in the right way, and there's many different ways to do it right and many different ways to do it wrong. And unless you have that particular inside knowledge, you're probably not going to be doing it right, not on your first case. And that can cost the client, big time, because you may miss out on a benefit that you could have received. You could have navigated the case in a certain way where you wouldn't received a certain punishment that you ended up getting because you hired a lawyer from out of county. And sometimes these lawyers talk a big game from out of county and say, oh, this or that or whatever, and they have no idea what kind of fight they're in for until they actually get there. And then in the end, they just tell the client, sorry, the judge or the DA was mean or wasn't nice. And then that's your problem, right? Well, don't get, your hopes up and do things wrong and be disappointed in the end. Know from the get-go, what is realistic, what can be done, and how to accurately navigate your case to get you the best possible outcome. And that's what I think I can do. I've been practicing in San Mateo County exclusively since December of 2005. I have an office in Redwood City. That's where the home base is, so if you do want to talk about it, feel free to give me a call. Nafiz Ahmed of Ahmed and Sukaram Attorneys at Law. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.